lying here together, soaking in the tub, our toes turning rings.